Good morning. I don't know if it was recording that. Good morning.
Definitely started a couple seconds early there.
So we got me and Dad and Ben, and we are up American Fork Canyon. We're sitting at Tibble Fork right now. We got the rollback up here with us. There's a Dodge up by Silver Lake Reservoir that the wheel came off, so we brought the truck just in case we can get it up there and get it safely, but we are gonna go up and take a look at it.
Yep, we'll see how bad it is, if we can do it now or if we need to get more parts and supplies and come back up for it. We'll know shortly. The weather's cooperating.
It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. 1st November?
Yep,
today?
November 1st.
November 1st. Beautiful day. So enjoy the ride with us. There's some grass stuck up onto the rear diff. There is a little bit of body damage already on the back of the fender.
So the lower ball joint is intact, still in the knuckle. So it either pulled out of the lower control arm or the lower control arm broke.
The lower control arm is broken. I can see it. And the knuckle is broken.
Yeah. It's a big job. Pretty much this entire corner of suspension, other than
inner tie rod end.
Pretty much everything.
Probably outer, just because of the stress that it's on.
Looks like it even blew the strut. Too bad this wasn't one of the hooks. It was all the way back. It makes a complete loop. I like those better. Those ones can come off.
I'm here at the truck taking a look at it. It does have quite a bit of damage. Your broken lower control arm, broken knuckle, CV axle, inner and outer tie rod. So it's pretty much this entire suspension side. It even looks like the strut might be blown. So I guess the question is, we could absolutely fix it and drive it out. We could pick it up and drag it out to the parking lot and tow it with the tow truck to a shop. I guess what I'm asking is, what direction would you want us to go on this? Do you have a shop in mind that you want to fix it? Would you rather just have us fix it? What way are you leaning here? Sounds good. We'll make that determination, and then I'll shoot you a text and let you know what we're doing and when we'll have the truck back to you. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye. He just said whatever we think is best. He does not have a shop in mind. He actually said he assumed we had a shop because it's in the same parking lot as the alignment guys.
Yeah.
So he says, if you want to fix it up there, you want to take it down to your yard and fix it. Because I don't mind throwing the parts on. I know you got to go.
Yeah.
But I could come back up and throw the parts on, and then we could take it down to the shop, and you could
there's
line it
just
up and everything.
a few things in doing some of those parts that could be an absolute nightmare trying to do up here, that are even difficult on the rack. But it might all come apart and not be horrible.
The other thing is these knuckles. Are these special lift knuckles? That's what I was thinking about. That looks aftermarket. So if it's a special lift knuckle, because it drops down, it's taller.
Could be.
I don't know where.
That would have to be ordered. Yeah, that.
I think so.
That is definitely an aftermarket knuckle. Yep, not gonna get that today. It'll have to be ordered.
I don't think it's worth it. With those hooks, there's not as much of a chance of damaging that front bumper. It's pretty much metal.
Yeah.
It's already damaged. You can see the buckle right there. Dent there. This is pushed back in.
And it'll be soft shackles and a rope. So
I'm thinking super loops here to here, up to right here, and then soft shackle up.
Yeah.
And then have you on the brakes keeping it away from the truck at a good angle.
Yep.
And take it to that parking lot, load it up on the rollback, and drive all the way down.
That tire's still on the ground, but just barely. But this finally lifted up enough, the tire's free. So we're gonna try and get this tire off and get the suspension tied up. Then we'll probably go back down a little bit with it so that that tire can steer and it's on the ground and we're not supporting the whole weight of the truck off of the boom.
Plus a little bit of brakes if that one's still touching.
Yeah. Snap that knuckle right in half. That's crazy. We're still learning YouTube stuff, like what angles people like to see and stuff. So sometimes we'll do an angle that we think will look good to us, but then other people don't like as much. So we're trying to work all that stuff out. Do better filming for you guys so the videos are better. So this is going to be a little weird because if I brake very much, the line will pull the nose up higher. Yeah, that's what I was just kind of explaining to the camera. If I brake a little bit too much and it pulls back, the front lifts up. And if I get too close, it drops down. Time to go through this massive water crossing.
Okay, let me unhook this.
We'll have to retighten those when we get down the pavement. Somebody was up here in a little Subaru and it looked like they might have left something on a rock over here. So if it's garbage, I'll grab it. We'll see what it is. Looks like a doggy doo-doo bag. That would be really irritating. Yep, that's what it is, dog do. We'll just find a dumpster for that when we get out down to Tibble Fork or something. It's nasty. Come on, people, don't leave your garbage and your crap lying around. It's just gross.
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
Be responsible. Keep the forests and trails clean. We're getting into the narrows part now where it's a little more nervous if a vehicle comes from the other direction, because it is a straight drop. Way down there. And it gets kind of thin up here.
Well, we came down to a suspension shop here in American Fork called the Alignment Guys, and we are gonna drop the truck off here. All right, cruiser guy, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.